All right, first tool out. Careful with this one. Don't want it snapping in this cold. 17.4. Hold it right there. Looks good. All right. This is it. Solid enough. Keep it steady. Now. Got it. Nice work, Joas. Ground feels solid. All right, locked and ready. All right, that's solid. Now we're ready. All right, first cut, watch the torque. Copy that, steady pressure. Minus 40 Celsius. The ambient is holding steady. Keep the RPMs low and watch the pressure. Woo! The return is too slow, looks thin and sluggish. We need to check the circulation before going any deeper. All right, fluid's conditioned. That should cut through the sluggish flow. All right, that's it. It's moving like it should now. All right, that's the permafrost. Just like we knew it would be. Connection point, mark it, verify that the rod count looks solid. All right, fourth rod in, let's send her deep. Looks like we're finally hitting something wetter. Maybe turning the corner. Looks heavier than the wash, more suspended solids. Might be a flow. Still too muddy. Need to hold here. Copy that. Waiting on your call. The returns are looking much wetter now. Almost there. All right, locked it in. We're getting close now. Just one more push. The bore is clearly reacting. Over here. Different formation behaviors. Breakthrough. $159 feet. Underline that. Breakthrough at 159 feet. All right, that's a strong, clean return. Looks good. Almost there. Just a little more. Got it. Solid. Keep it tight. Every gap. That's better. Now this one. Got to be perfect in this weather. Holding solid, that 159-foot strike is manageable. Oh, nothing seeping here, looks completely secure. Excellent. Flow is steady, path is clear. It's working perfectly. All right, needles settled. Solid pressure, boys. Good work, Joas. Operation confirmed. All right, stabilized at 7. Final entry. Job's done.
We're gonna No, c'est ça, c'est vrai de